how we talked about planning during the last podcast episode? Well, you'll want to use that same thinking when it comes to expanding your network and attending events outside of school that will allow you to do so. The first step you want to take is 1. Look up conferences or conference-like events you can attend during your undergraduate or professional career. This could be the difference between getting into a good school and a great program. Remember, network, network, network. 2. Make sure you have a plan B and C, just in case plan A doesn't work out. If you want to read more about conferences and why it's a must that you attend, then head over to my website, KarisKWilson.com, to view my latest blog post on conferences, my time in Seattle, and why intentional conference attendance and planning is so powerful. If you want to hear more about what I had to say about academic planning last week, then click on the link at the top right-hand corner of this video.